Chris and I have always been curious about living a non-traditional lifestyle that offers freedom, simplicity, and connection to nature. With that mindset, we booked a trip to Iceland, a travel destination that has never crossed our mind as a kid, and yet somehow we made it here together.
Welcome to Iceland.
It's definitely a place with glorious views, and with that, we rented a van for the week. The van life can now be checked off our bucket list.
Where's that? Bones?
Yep.
Bones of what?
It's sheep.
Cool. So it's like a vest?
Yeah, it's an armor.
It's an armor? Oh, this is a turf wall. You ready? System?
So like these are the house we built, and once you get in here, you see this is the room that room. This is the blue room, and then once you get in here, this is room number 11. Now. This is the dairy room.
Dairy room. Cool.
When it does, it gets too hot. You push it up to the size. Everything must have been super made.
Good pot for flowers. Ooh, I like that. The cover for it, that's cool. Pantry. Food storage. For the winter.
The main pantry, so this is where they kept all the stuff that they would eat.
Glasses.
Kings, coins, gold money, rich money,
What these are
needles. That's it. Padded with a lot of rocks and moss and grass and stuff. That is it. We are done.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather
Going underground? Doesn't look like it.
Because we're supposed to cross that side. We're supposed to cross this.
Whatever.
Yeah.
We cannot go underground.
I'm serious. I'm looking at it. It tells us that there's supposed to be something that crosses this river, but then I don't see it.
Don't do this.
So that means it's underground.
we know what we have.
water, guys. They built this tunnel under the water.
It's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So we are currently at Thingvellir National Park, and we're just gonna hang out here for the night, and we're gonna start cooking. Today I'm gonna make bamboo with pork. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna make it today.
We got some salt.
It says this is tom yum mix, but it's okay. I'm just gonna throw in all of this. Last but not least, the main ingredient, which is the sour bamboo. Chris is actually gonna grill the hot dogs that we have. Chris bought these for the hot dogs, and we're gonna try it. Chris.
It's starting to rain a little bit. Put all the pepper in there. So draw 4 on mine. Do you taste the lamb? Or is it just me? I get a hint of it all the time I turn
Yeah, I do.
it. Right? It's ham. It's gonna be funny, this whole time I've been eating lamb hot dog and I didn't know about it. I'm gonna lick it up a bit. It is made out of lamb. Mixed with lamb, goat, beef, and pork. Pretty good.
That, my friends, is how you make Asian food in another country.